Good morning, guys. Welcome to the illegal garage. Welcome to my new friends from Toyota, my new audience from Toyota. So today we're gonna do a little mod, not on the Cobra, but on the Toyota. We're gonna do more like a preventative mod that everybody seems to be doing on the Toyotas, Tacomas. Some people have been having trouble with rust, or their frame starting to rust, because the drain for the air conditioning just drips. It's right here. It just drips right over the frame. So we're gonna do a mod to put a longer hose and route the water away from the frame. But so far, everybody that I seen that do this mod, they don't do it the right way. I don't know why. They just grab a hose and they just slip it inside the other hose and put a clamp in it, which is not the right way. It's not gonna hold. So I went to Menards and I got this 3A inside diameter by 3A inside diameter nylon hose barb that is gonna go in there. You don't even need a clamp really, but I'm gonna put a clamp just because. And then the other end is gonna go into the drain of the Tacoma and put another little clamp, which again, you don't really need a clamp. The barbs hold the hose, but just to be safe. So this barb, this is the part number. It was $1.50, and these little clamps are like 50 cents. So for $2.50, you can do it the right way, instead of just sliding this hose inside the other hose, or a bigger hose outside of the other hose, and then putting a clamp which is just gonna compress the hoses. They put a clamp and the clamp is just gonna compress the hose and the wire is not gonna go out. So that's why you need this. Anyway, we're gonna go under the truck and get my stuff ready, my tools, and we'll be right back. So I think this is all we're gonna need: the barb, the two hose clamps, a 1/4" socket. I put a flexible extension just to make it easier on me. And I had this hose on the garage, the many leftovers from my Cobra bill, so I think this one should be good enough. If not, then I should have this one, which is harder, like some type of nylon. It doesn't crunch as easy, but I think this one should be fine. So we're gonna go under the truck and we're gonna install this little Toyota Tacoma mod. I already removed this flap to give me access. There's just one clip over here, another here, and another here. I use my panel removal tool. So I'm just gonna go under the truck. Hopefully I can do it with one hand. Yeah, it's gonna be hard to do it with one hand. So I'm gonna slide. You know what? Let's do it this way. I'm gonna slide the hose first into the barb. There he is. I'm gonna put the hose clamp. Man, I have much more room in under my Ranger. The clamps don't need to be too tight. Like I said, you probably won't even need them. So now we're gonna slide this into the truck. I need to open this clamp a little bit. Sorry about that. I don't have the right camera for this application. So there is the clamp. Just gonna slide this one into the truck. There it is. And we're gonna tie, I'm just gonna tie this little clamp right there. And we should be done. But I need both my hands, so I'm gonna stop it right here and I'll show you the final product in a minute. There it is, guys, looking from the driver's side tire. There it is, the drain, the nylon hose barb, the two clamps, and the hose. Some people run the hose on the inside, but the exhaust is right there, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna leave it here. I'm just gonna cut it to length, and I'm just gonna put the clips back on, and this is I'm gonna zip tie it to this hose right here, to this hose, and this shield is gonna hold it in place too, sort of like that. I'm just gonna put it over here, and the wire is gonna drain through there. So if you go crawling or mudding, I think this might rub, but I'm not gonna do that anytime soon, so it should be fine. So I'm just gonna get a zip tie and put it right there. There is the zip tie. I'm just gonna cut it. Like that. I'm gonna put the clips back on. That one goes in there. That one goes in there. And this one goes in there. As you can see, the hose is right there. It's gonna be kept in there by the two clips, by the zip tie, and I'm just gonna cut the hose to length, just a little bit longer past the frame to avoid the same problem. I got my trusty side cutter right here. I think like an inch from the frame should be good. Right there. Now all the water from the air conditioning is gonna go right there. Let's take a final look from under the truck. There it is, the hose, and just comes out of here. Guys, that was a fast, easy mode on the Toyota Tacoma. Not compared with what I done on this car right here. So I got a couple more things coming for the Tacoma. I got a TRD Pro Grill coming. I got the TRD Rigid Industries fog lights already. I just need to put them on. And more stuff coming on the future. We just got this truck about not even a month ago. So that's it for this. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, click the notification button. Thank you very much. This is the Illegal Garage. Thank you very much. See you later. Bye. Sorry, I forgot. By the way, if my new Toyota Tacoma, Toyota fans, audience, subscribers wants to see more on this car, wants to see what's hiding under these covers, wants to see more about my Cobra build, watch the other videos on my channel and you can see all about this car. Again, thank you. This is the Illegal Garage. Bye.